안녕하세요.
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 So first one, we're going to write river. Yes, 강. Okay, so next one, we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna say it and you write and tell me the definition. 고양이. 고양이. 3 syllable, and you do need to spell out in Korean. So the correct answer would be 고, 기억, and 오, and then yang, and then e, 3rd syllable. So Sean, 고. So this one 90 degree, like I talked about, and then very good on the 2nd, 3rd. Renew. So yang. So this one silent. Remember, we need like a placeholder, silent. So you do need iung there. Okay. Travis, ya. So instead of a ya, it should be ya. 고영 sound different than 고양, 영, yang, right? Okay, so first syllable, it is 사. 사. Correct answer would be this one. So short S and then a 사. 허. 허. So the correct answer would be cute and then 푸. 푸. Let me write the correct answer first. So that would be correct. And I kind of get it when you said you. Well, let's hear the difference. First one, 푸. Second one, 퓨. 푸, 퓨. 푸, 퓨. Okay? So hopefully you can hear the difference. So first vocab is tree, and it is ni은, a, and 미음, 우. 나무, 나무, tree. 니은, 아, 나, 미음, 우, 무. Notice how I spell verbally consonant. This is the reason why you do need to know the consonant name. Because what if I didn't wrote it there and I just call out 니은, 아, 미음, 우. Then you'll be like, huh, 니은? What's 니은? See? So always go back and then review your old material. Next vocab. 니은, 아, 비읍, 이. 니은, 아, 나, 비읍, 이, 비, 나비. Butterfly. 나비. Train. So this 기억. Notice how I shifted angle to 45 degree because 기, I'm gonna have E comes after. 기차. 기억 E and then 치읓 and then 아. 기차. 기차. 기억 이, 치읓, 아, 기차. hat, 미음, 오, 모, 지읒, 아, 모자, 모자. So that's hat. So first one looks like this, and second one looks like this. The reason we called compound, let's go over that first. You're just adding 2 or 3 simple vowels together. First one, as you can see, it's a plus e. So it's a plus e becomes this first one. And second one, this one is o plus e. So the first one, we call it A-E. Second one, we call it O-E. Okay, that's their name. So you do need to know A-E, O-E. Now, pronunciation. For first one, we romanize it as A-E. Second one, E. So first one, A. My jawline will go down a little more than A. A. A has a little more open. A. Like that.
I'll do it.
Yes.
Okay. A. Right?
Perfect! So next one, it's ya plus E for the first one. Ya plus E for the second one. And the way we romanize this, first one, Y-A-E. And then second one, Y-E. And pronunciation. Same thing how we did the A and A. So it'll be yeah. Notice why? Yeah. Yeah versus yeah. Okay? And then this is how we spell first one, ya-e. Second one, yaw-e.